elietaliane Ndemo Steven.
No sana omurikito Ndemo Steven asogotwariganiria oroboti urugusika mutu asoroboti ronde nigo kumanyibuna abanyanyimbo korase county ya Kisii nigo banalia amarwa ase ensemo ya Kyongonya iyogotoka imeyo ward ya Bobaracho ebunge ya Nyaribari chache bakoragwa no mu county commissioner Charles Kases nigo babeka biara abayengi ase barwa igikuri getindi asonde bwensi orachi gotokekana negakorokyo naimukirigo egetambo kero egetindi murikito Brighton Makoli na mange
egekure egetindi nigo kiarurwe gojase bari bakwenga marwa tanjeri ase county ya Kisii aya nigagoja magega yabanyanyimbo bakurawa na mu county commander Charles Kases egokora ubuya byobotindi ase nsemo ya Kyonganyo iyegotoka ase ward ya Bobaracho ebunge Nyaribari chache ase baitera marwa mange atanjeri.
To send this message to other brewers. I know they are watching me within the Kisii County that we are coming for them and we shall do the same thing that we have done here. Tutaendelea kuharibu vitu kama hizi na kuwashika. So wakiwa mahali wako watungojea tunawakujia.
Ukwana senze meyo nigo omo county commander oyanyariga kobori bamenyi weso kina wako roboti alia samaru akwoni wa atanjeri.
I plead to the members of public to follow information so that we can get to arrest such people. This changa ndio imeharibu watoto wetu. We have been hearing some funny incidences within Kisii. Inachangiwa na vitu kama hizi.
Asobo ya biobo nigo banyara bakobeka biara omonyene enyomba oyi orekoni amaru atanjeri.
Started our operation this morning. We came, we found this is what has been happening for the last 5 years from the background information that we have. We arrested the owner, somebody called Jacqueline Kemunto, with her husband Akwapo, with 5 or 4 other brewers, and we managed to recover or get exhibit of 450 liters of changa.
Bono nigate beruna goikachikana kuna marungo sirara sorongo rwa Gusii.
We want to eradicate this brewing of changa.
Koripoteri getoseni Ndizi TV eridariane Brighton Makori.
Yemono